Welcome to the National Service Career Fair. We're very excited to be here. We're a university that is driven to actually help the Emirates become in the top 10 innovation countries in the world. So we provide education for people who want to be innovators, who want to change the world and make this world a better place. So we combine design, technology, and business from year one. It's a very exciting opportunity for young people who have a vision to make this world a happier and better world. So we welcome you to come to visit our school, visit our program, and learn from our students and learn from our faculty what it is that we offer the Emirates. We are part of Dubai Holding. We are a big part of the government initiative to actually improve the level of production in the region, and also to be less consumption and more production. So we generate ideas, we generate projects and programs and products. So if you like engineering, this is engineering with a heart. This is an engineering to help you solve the world's problems and make a big difference.